In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set a timer on your Instagram camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. And then once it is done, just swipe to the right to activate Instagram camera. Keep in mind that we can set a timer just for Reels mode. So now first off we need to switch it to Reel here. And after that, towards the top of the screen, you will find this clock icon, which actually allows us to set a timer. To do that, I'm just going to tap right here, and that's where we can, by dragging this bar left or right, choose timer duration from 1 to 60 seconds in that way. And also here we can set countdown. We can switch it between 3 seconds and 10 seconds, just like that. After that, just hit right here at set timer, and then just hit right here, and after 3 seconds countdown, and it will start recording a reel with the active timer. So basically, guys, that's how it can be easily done. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.